Today, I'm going to help you and your local business crack the Google code. My name is Steve with the branding agency, mybrandingagency.com. Always trying to grow the channel. It's steadily climbing. We do need your support. If you could find this content informative, like and subscribe, comment in the comments section. It definitely helps us out growing the channel. In this video, I'm going to help you get your local citations indexed. In the previous video, I talked about citations, and I'll leave a link to that video down in the comment sections if you don't know what a citation is. A citation is a listing of your company, name, address, and phone number on directory sites. This is helpful for local businesses, for Google to index that information when trying to find a local business to populate in the search result. So where it comes in handy is for larger markets. We're in Charlotte, North Carolina. It is a major metropolitan area here in Charlotte. For most businesses, online businesses, any type of brick and mortar, it's competitive. So we're in digital marketing. I always joke around and say there's a digital marketing agency on every corner, just like a pizza shop. So when you get into those very competitive markets in a large major metropolitan area, getting these citations indexed is just another helpful tick that's going to tick you up in the right direction. Now, another thing that I always tell you, there's not going to be a be all end all where you do one thing and all of a sudden your website goes to the first page of Google. You just want to do consistent checks, consistent tasks, and over time, once you complete these tasks, you're going to be able to appear better in search results. So let me get into what I talked about. So this is a listing of all of our citations. As you can see, LinkedIn, YouTube, Clutch, Google Maps. I mean, all these different Bing profile, Facebook, Yelp. These are all local directories that have us on there listed. It gives us a link to our website, actually populates in the maps on the map section of their listing. Phone numbers listed, our address is listed, and the company name. All right, so you've went ahead and you've claimed all these listings like I've mentioned in the previous video. The next thing to do, and this is just a safeguard, again, this isn't going to catapult you all of a sudden overnight to page one, but the next thing to do is to make sure that you are getting, or Google is indexing these citations. So this is what's called a private page. This isn't visible, it's hidden. No one can access it. You don't want anyone to see this page, this come up. It's useless for anybody. The only reason that this is up is to get it indexed for Google. So I'm going to show you how to make sure that your site is or a page is being indexed. So you just copy the URL of the live page. Once you've copied that link, you're going to go into your Google Search Console. And right here where it says, you could just go on the overview. You don't even have to have it in the, right here where it says inspect any URL so you just paste it there. Hit enter. Now, when you're trying this for the first time, it says not indexed. Interesting. So I need to request indexing. Good thing I did this. So you just hit this button right here. Hit request indexing, and Google's going to manually, the Search Console is going to manually request and see that page gets indexed. That way Google has a record of this page, and they can crawl all those different links on your website and ensure that all those links, all those citations are being understood by Google. So again, this is just another check mark on the things that you need to do. You need to consistently go in on a daily basis, believe it or not, in competitive markets, competitive industries, you need to go in and constantly update things, constantly do above and beyond what your competitor is doing. So if you go in and do something like this, it's just ensuring you that you're going to have more information, more reasons for Google to populate your site in a local listing or a local search, somebody trying to find that near me, or somebody doing a search for your industry in a particular city location. So I hope you found this video informative. Again, if you find it informative, we are really trying hard to grow our channel. So please, it doesn't cost you anything to like this video. Subscribe either. It's free. So like and subscribe. It definitely gives us a boost. Again, my name is Steve with the branding agency, mybrandingagency.com, and I'll speak to everyone tomorrow with another helpful tip.